Hey goal-getters, Jaden Sterling here, and happy holidays to you. This is a time where we can reflect back on the year that we've had and think about all the wonderful things that we've accomplished and everything that's happened for us, and have gratitude for an incredible year, but also have some enthusiasm toward next year, you know, what's happening and what you're preparing for. Hopefully you are preparing, that we can set our intentions for what we desire to create next year. Give yourself a challenge to far exceed what you did this year in terms of your life, in terms of your health, your well-being, your family life, your financial life as well. You know, this is a time that to take advantage of the fact that the United States has a businessman as a president. President-elect Trump is someone who has no political background. He knows how to run a business fairly well. And hopefully he can apply that same mindset toward running the country. And I really believe that the United States stock market, the NASDAQ, as well as the Dow Jones Industrial Average, is going to perform really, really well. So you have an opportunity to make some money with President-elect Trump. And your opportunity is to first fire your stockbroker. Get your money out of the investment firm that you're in, because brokerage firms are set up to make money off of you, not for you. And I'll prove it. If you have an account that's at least, let's say, $100,000, chances are good that they've put you in some type of managed money scenario where you're getting charged on a quarterly basis a fee to oversee your investments, right? I mean, that's probably where you are right now. And then within that managed money account, you may have 33 to 50 different types of investments. Now these investments, what that means is you have such a small amount per investment that you don't have an opportunity to make a lot of money on your holdings. It's designed so that they know some things are going to go down, some things are going to go up, most of it's going to go sideways, but they're still going to get their fee. So you know what? You need to start looking at your portfolio. In fact, take a look at it. Look at your statement and just see, how many investments do I have? And how well is it doing? You know, when I was a broker with Merrill Lynch and Citigroup 30 years ago, it's amazing, time flies by. I started when I was 19 years old, that, you know, they taught us, once we get our clients' money into the firm, to diversify it, right? Put in a lot of different mutual funds and different stocks, and that will help mitigate the risk for the investor. But the reality is it does nothing in terms of growing the asset base. The only way to grow your money in investing is to buy into concentrated positions, which means no more than 6 to 8 stocks in your portfolio. Now some people say, what if a stock goes down? Well, if it's a good stock, if you really like it and believe in it, then you know what? Buy more. It's on sale. It's amazing, but people are so afraid to buy stocks when they're on sale. They'll buy everything else on sale. You know, they'll buy toothpaste and shampoo and a car and clothes when they're on sale. But when stocks go on sale, people panic and they get afraid. If you look at every single market correction, which is 10% or more, that's how I define a market correction, since 1987. If you look at those market corrections, they were very contracted, meaning it happened in a very quick period of time. And as long as you held in there, meaning you didn't panic and sell like everyone else, if you held on to what you had, there is an opportunity for you to actually make more money throughout that course of the year. The markets finished actually up when there was a 10% correction. The reason there are corrections is because there's buying opportunities. So this is not a big stock market class. It's not my intention for this video, but my intention is to disrupt the financial services industry in 2017. I'm here to give the truth, to talk the truth to investors just like you, who are wanting your money to work for you, and it's simply not working while having it with a broker in a brokerage firm. You know that. Look at your statements. Look at what you started with versus what you have now and how many different things they've got you in, and look at your returns. What have they been? Opportunity to say, you know what? I'm going to change this up. If you need assistance, contact me. My goal is to take newbie investors and make them ninja investors. You can do this. I started a course where I took newbie investors just like where you might be. Some people were even afraid to look at their investment statements. Afraid. They wouldn't even open them up when they came in the mail. They just put them aside, shoved them in a drawer, wouldn't even look at them. To after the 3 months of working together where they're actively investing their money. Isn't that phenomenal? Where they feel confident and worthy of having their money work hard for them instead of always working so hard for their money. 2017 is going to be phenomenal. The stock market's going to do very well. You have an opportunity to take advantage of that. I hope you do. Contact me if I can be of assistance. Have a great year.